Welcome to Afsan Farm Kitchen, a place for global flavors, the culinary journey that brings the world's healthiest recipes straight to your kitchen. I'm Sarah, your professional culinary chef, and I'm thrilled to be your guide as we explore a variety of nutritious and delicious dishes from every corner of the globe. Our mission is simple: to inspire you with wholesome, flavorful recipes that delight your taste buds and nourish your body.
Welcome to Afsan Farm Kitchen, where we bring you the best recipes for making healthy, easy-to-cook meals that taste just like your favorite restaurant dishes at home. Join us on a truly tasty, delicious, and proper meal journey. Let's dive in and enjoy the experience. Stay tuned. To begin, gather fresh ingredients for a tasty Greek salad. Start by chopping crisp cucumbers. Next, dice juicy tomatoes. Then, thinly slice a red onion. In a large bowl, combine the vegetables. Add tangy Kalamata olives for a burst of flavor. Crumble in creamy feta cheese. Drizzle with extra virgin olive oil. A pinch of sea salt. Add some fresh basil leaves to your salad bowl. Squeeze fresh lemon or lime juice over the salad. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Gently mix the salad ingredients. Let the flavors meld together for a few minutes. Serve the Greek salad with a side of warm pita bread. You can add some black pepper and vinegar to your salad. Enjoy this refreshing and simple dish with your friends and family. Remember to subscribe for more easy and delicious recipes. Thank you for watching.
We'll dive into Middle Eastern cuisine's rich and aromatic world, uncovering the secrets behind its fragrant spices, fresh herbs, and vibrant flavors. But that's not all. We'll also venture into the culinary traditions of Asia, Europe, the Americas, and beyond, celebrating the diversity and unity of food. Join us as we cook, taste, and savor our way through a world of healthy eating. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting your culinary adventure, Global Flavors has something for everyone. So, grab your apron, and let's get cooking.
Let's all unite. African drums, pure and bright. Free vibes fill the air tonight. We live this life with soul and mind.
Welcome to Afsan Farm Media Production, an oasis of tranquility nestled in the heart of California. Our farm is not just a production center, it's a sanctuary where we craft healthy and easy-to-cook meals using the freshest natural ingredients from our farm kitchen. Our mission is simple but powerful: to bring peace of mind to individuals weary of the demands of bustling city life.
Finger where your feet Rafakam di moramo Yeshuni suavi hai I'm dreaming of a song Watch my finger where your feet Rafakam di moramo يشوني سواد يحاري علم في من ناسا. أشرب فيها طير عنك يسكن.
Are you looking for a delicious and healthy recipe for a special night? Look no further. Today, I'll be sharing a mouth-watering trout recipe that is sure to impress. Trout is not only incredibly tasty, but it also offers a wide range of health benefits. High in omega-3 fatty acids, trout promotes heart health and helps reduce inflammation. Additionally, trout is an excellent source of protein and packed with essential vitamins and minerals. To start, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and gather the following ingredients. You will need fresh trout fillets, lemon slices, garlic cloves, fresh dill, salt, and pepper. Begin by seasoning both sides of the trout fillets with salt and pepper to taste. Next, place a few lemon slices on top of each fillet, followed by a sprinkling of minced garlic and fresh dill. Once seasoned, carefully wrap each trout fillet in aluminum foil, ensuring they are securely sealed. The foil will help lock in the flavors and moisture, resulting in a beautifully tender and flavorful trout. Now, place the foil-wrapped trout fillets on a baking sheet and bake in the preheated oven. Cook for approximately 15 to 20 minutes or until the trout is opaque and easily flakes with a fork. While the trout is baking, take a moment to appreciate the tantalizing aroma filling your kitchen. Once cooked, carefully unwrap the foil to reveal the perfectly cooked trout fillets. Garnish with a sprinkle of fresh dill and serve alongside your favorite side dishes. The tender and flaky trout, infused with the zesty flavors of lemon and dill, is simply irresistible. As you savor each bite, remember that you are also nourishing your body with essential nutrients. Whether it's a romantic dinner for two or a special gathering, this trout recipe is a winner. So, why not treat yourself and your loved ones to a memorable meal that is not only delicious but also nutritious? Try this mouth-watering trout recipe tonight and enjoy the incredible health benefits it has to offer. To join the channel for tasty food and a healthy lifestyle, you can subscribe to our channel and unlock a world of culinary delights and wellness tips. Lobster. All the advantages of lobster and the best ways to prepare it for a meal. Lobster is a great source of high-quality protein, which is essential for building and repairing tissues in the body. High in vitamins and minerals. Lobster contains various essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin B12, vitamin E, magnesium, zinc, and potassium. Omega-3 fatty acids. Lobster is a good source of omega-3 fatty acids, which have been associated with numerous health benefits, including reduced inflammation and improved heart health. Lobster is rich in selenium, a trace mineral that acts as an antioxidant and plays a crucial role in supporting the immune system and protecting against oxidative stress. Now, let's explore some ways to make a proper meal using lobster. Steaming lobster is a classic method that preserves the natural flavors and textures of the meat. Simply place the live lobster in a steamer basket over boiling water and steam until the shell turns bright red. Grilling lobster adds a smoky flavor and enhances the sweetness of the meat. Split the lobster in half, brush with butter or olive oil, and grill over medium heat until cooked through. Lobster bisque is a creamy and flavorful soup made with lobster meat, broth, cream, and spices. It's a perfect way to enjoy the rich taste of lobster in a comforting dish. Lobster rolls are a popular and delicious option. Mix cooked lobster meat with mayonnaise, celery, lemon juice, and seasonings. Serve the mixture in a buttered, toasted roll for a satisfying sandwich. Incorporate lobster into a pasta dish for a luxurious meal. Cook pasta al dente and toss it with sautéed garlic, olive oil, cherry tomatoes, and chunks of cooked lobster meat. Finish with fresh herbs and a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese. Create a refreshing lobster salad by combining cooked lobster meat with crisp lettuce, cherry tomatoes, avocado, cucumbers, and your favorite dressing. It's a light and flavorful option for warmer days. Remember to handle and cook lobster safely, following proper procedures to ensure food safety. Additionally, consider local regulations and sustainability practices when purchasing and enjoying lobster. Prepare to embark on a mouth-watering journey filled with delectable recipes, expert tips, and tantalizing flavors that will awaken your taste buds.
This ocean we dance and sing. With every moment our hearts take wing. In this haven we're
Subscribe to my channel and share it with others to stay up to date with all the latest content and help spread the word to even more viewers.